Alright, today we're looking at a 2012 Ford Fusion SE. It's got 45,000 miles on it. It's white suede in color. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. They got it marked down to 10,500. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it is equipped with a sunroof. Nice chrome trim around the windows here. Got the deck lid spoiler. Got the rear park assist. Okay. Make our way down the passenger side. Exterior of this Fusion's in fantastic condition. Once again, it's a 2012. It's got 45,000 miles. Clean Carfax, one owner. They got it marked down to 10,005. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right. It's got the cloth seats. Driver seat's in good shape. It is a power driver seat. Okay. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, got your center armrest right here. Got the upper storage and then the lower storage. Passenger seat cloth's in really good shape. All right, no problems there. It is an automatic. It does have the Microsoft sync system. Got your power outlet there. Climate control area. Got your AM, FM, CD player right through here. Got your radio display right there. We'll show you that in just a second. Got your steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And on this side over here, got your cruise control. All right, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Oh, one more thing. Let me go ahead and show you the sunroof here. All right, now let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 45,065 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the radio display here. All right. You've got your climate control area, AM, FM, CD player. We'll get a little further down here, the climate control area here. Okay. Let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Give you one more shot of the sunroof here before we go to the back seat. Okay. Door panels back here in good shape. All right, carpet back here looks good, no staining. Back seat cloth is also in really good shape. No issues at all back here. Everything's nice and clean. Center armrest comes down, got the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look in the trunk. All right, carpet back here looks good. I'll stand to the side so you can see the depth of just how much space you got, but there is a ton of room in the back of this Fusion. Spare tire under there. Take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 17-inch alloys. Tires are in great shape. Got plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2012 Ford Fusion SE, 45,000 miles on it, clean Carfax. All right, one owner. They got it marked down to 10,500. This thing is fantastic on the outside. It's well kept on the inside. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.